Welcome to Let's Go Shopping game, which is played in 3 acts. The game is about spending the money you have and win cash prizes. Every day you open this game will make you win a daily gift, which can help you in winning the game. The space you see in front of you has 4 boxes. Please click on the box that you want to learn about. To begin playing the game, click on Let's Go Shopping. The first page of Act 1 will look like this. On this page, various headings are shown which says kitchen, living room, entertainment room, etc. You need to select one of these rooms. Keep in mind that this will be the room where you will go shopping and spend the money you have. So select the one you know the best to shop in. I chose pantry. Page 2 of Act 1 will look like this. Don't worry if you make a mistake by tapping the wrong room and you move to the next page. See the arrow up top. That allows you to back and select another room box in case you change your mind. On this page, you will see boxes of different amounts. Select any one of them. Keep in mind the box you select is the target amount you will need to spend in the room you selected. I chose 4,331. The arrow up you see will allow you to change the amount you want to spend, or if you want to go back even further and reselect the room you want to spend it in. This page is a reminder page. It tells you the room you have selected and how much target amount you will have to spend in that room. This page allows you to tell that you must select a minimum number of products, and you will have to do it in 60 seconds as mentioned. This will also tell you that if you want to win, you must spend the exact amount or spend within a certain percentage of that. Clicking on Next will take you to the next page. Keep in mind, you will not be able to come back from that page. Clicking on Purchase Game Coins will take you to a separate page where you can buy game coins. These game coins are then used to buy hints, extra time, and mega hint in the game. This is the page 4. This is only to get you ready to play the game. Once you press start play, the game will start along with the timer. Keep in mind that once timer starts, you cannot pause it. Page 5 of Act 1 will look like this. Your game has started. This is the target amount you selected. This clock tells you how much time you have. This is a product list that you can shop to get to that target amount. To select them, touch the empty box. To deselect, touch it again. This box with yellow border with a number in it. The number shows how many products you have selected. Keep in mind there is a minimum number of products you will have to select. Below that you see are 3 buttons. They are Hint, Extra Time and Mega Hint. Note the number of coins you have up top. This allows you to know how many hints, extra time or mega hint you can pick.
For one hint, you will need 100 game coins.
Hint allows you to see if the product you selected is in the winning combination or not. You can use it in pressing the hint button first and then the product you want to check. You can only check one product with one hint.
In Act 1 and 2, you can use hints or extra time or mega hints for 5 times each.
Extra time allows you an increment of 20 seconds to add to your existing clock. You can add extra time anytime before the clock expires. There is no limit to extra time you can add to the clock as long as you have game coins.
For 20 seconds extra time, you will need 100 game coins.
For one mega hint, you will need 300 game coins. Mega hint allows you to know if you're over or under the spending amount. Once you have selected the products, you can press submit. If you lose, it says that you have to start the game again and tells you how many game coins you have earned. Note one thing, even if you keep losing in Act 1 and do not progress, you still have a chance of winning cash prize. The more you play, the better the chance of entry in weekly active users cash prize. And no matter if you lose or win, you will still earn game coins. If you win, the page will congratulate you on your win. It allows you to go to the next act and will also show you what you have won, including the money you have now collected in your session wallet. This button will tell you all the products you should have chosen to get to the exact match. That is the winning combination. Once you press the play button, you move to Act 2. Page 1 of Act 2 will look like this. Your session wallet has the amount that you have collected from Act 1. Also, on this page, you will see boxes of different amounts. Select any one of them. This is the amount that will be added to your session wallet if you win. Keep in mind while selecting that the selection of the amount will be added to your total in session wallet. That then becomes the amount you will need to spend in Act 3. Page 2 of Act 2 will look like this. The arrow on the top will allow you to go back to the previous page to change the amount you have selected for your session wallet. This tells you that in this act, you will have to choose more expensive item between the pairs and you will get 90 seconds to choose from all the pairs. The game has begun. This is the timer clock. To the right is the total of the session wallet. Below you will see products side by side. You need to highlight one of them that you think is more expensive than the other. You can keep changing between the pairs which is more expensive by changing the highlight as long as you have time on the clock. You can submit before the time ends or it will submit it automatically once the timer runs out. Hints, extra time, mega hints can be used in this round too. If you lose, it says you will have to start the game again and your session wallet has been emptied. It also tells you that how many game coins you have earned. Even if you do not progress, you still have a chance of winning cash prize. The more you play, the better the chance of entry in weekly active users cash prize. If you win, it allows you to go to the next act. If you get the exact match, that is, you guess correct all the 15 pairs, you will win 100 rupees cash prize. You can view winning combination from here. Once you press play button, you move to Act 3. This page tells you how much money you have in your session wallet. This is the amount you will have to spend. Now this round can actually make you win cash prize in rupees. It tells you how you win either by exact match, which means winning the entire amount of session wallet in rupees, or win by coming within the 10% of your session wallet. This is a spin round. You will have to press spin and select products that will total to your session wallet.
You will be given 2 minutes to select the product.
The page will start with various products spinning. The clock only starts once the spinning stops. You will see 3 products side by side. You will then have 4 choices to make. 1 if you want to select one of 3. 2 that is 2 of the 3. 3 is all 3 of them or none. The products you select will be placed below. They will have small red cross mark in one corner as in picture, which would allow you to take them off your selection should you wish to. You can delete and add as many number of products as long as you have time on the clock. Note, once you take a product off your selection, you can only get them back into your selection again if you see it in the spin cycle. You can click here to spin. Every time you pick any product, you will need to press the spin button again to get the new product. This way you keep choosing products until you are satisfied that you have collected enough products below that would either be exact match or within the 10% of your session wallet. Similar to previous rounds, you can use hints in this too. But you can only get a maximum of 3 hints
And 3 turns of extra time and 3 mega hints as per your choice.
Once you are done, press submit.
If you lose, you will have to start the game again and your session wallet will be emptied. If you win, page that looks like this congratulates you on your win. This page also shows you what you have won. You will get into the weekly pot of 7500 rupees where this prize money will be divided amongst those who get to this level in a week. Or you can also win from weekly active users pot of rupees 2500.
The winning combination button tells you all the products you should have chosen to get the exact match. If you get the exact match, you will win the exact amount you were playing for. You can play this game as many times as you want and can win free cash from weekly pot prizes.
If you want to see your rank and the wins on the leaderboard, choose Quest Board. Clicking on Personal Quest will tell you with what percentage and the number of times you have won in each act. Completing this personal quest will make you win game coins which you can further use in game. To know your rank in current week, previous week or all time, click on Leaderboard. If you have skipped your daily gift, you can receive it by clicking on Daily Gift. Cash prize column will tell you how can you win cash prizes. For more queries, you can read the FAQs, rules and how to play from General. Sharing this app with your friends by referring this promo code will make you win 50 game points on each installation. Let your shopping skills make you win amazing cash prizes. Keep playing, let's go shopping.